Okay, so as you know, these are my favorite clippers around here, but anyone who knows these clippers know that the super taper, they have a problem with the lever. So I'm going to attempt to do a fix on this clipper. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. And this is what I'm going to do here. The plan is to apply some Gorrilla Glue to the taper screw, the lever screw, and then we're going to put it back in and we're going to see if we can re-thread the screw with it, yeah? So, hold on. So first, I'm going to undo the screw. Okay, got the screw out. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm only going to use a little bit. Okay, I've literally just put a little layer of Gorilla Glue onto the screw, and then I'm going to screw the screw back in without the lever. Okay, and then I'm literally just going to let that set for maybe about an hour or so and see what happens, see if it's swollen up too much or whatnot. And we're going to screw it out and we're going to put it all back together, and hopefully, fingers crossed, because y'all know that this is my favorite clipper out of the cordless, out of the Magic Clip and this. So then we're going to see if it works, fingers crossed. So now we're going to see if this has worked. The Gorilla Glue has swollen up around there. Okay, so we're going to clean off the area. And now key is to try and unscrew. So hopefully it's re-threaded the screw. Have a look. Okay. So then we need to get the excess off. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Okay, so get the lever in place. Okay, so now I'm going to zero gap them as I do. Okay. And there you go, it's worked. Look, if you can look here. And that's one super taper back in action. Super taper repair, all it needed is some Gorrilla Glue, a screwdriver, and there you go. Okay, so family, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Peace.
Wave Beats Music.